How to make hand sanitizer and face masks at home. COVID-19 has led to face masks and hand sanitizer shortage. Simple Show will explain how to make these items at home. But remember, it is always safer to buy professionally made products if possible. For homemade hand sanitizers, all you need are 2 ingredients: 90% isopropyl alcohol and aloe vera gel. Just combine the alcohol with the aloe vera at a 2-to-1 ratio. This will have a thinner consistency, but don't add more aloe vera because you should have at least 60% ethanol to kill germs. For face masks, all you need are 2 pieces of cloth, elastic bands, fabric adhesive, and paper clips or sewing pins. First, get your first piece of fabric and trim 2 elastic bands in half. Glue each end to the front side of your cotton 1.5 inches down from the top edge. Once the band is in place, squeeze an adhesive around the fabric, leaving 2 inches of gap at the bottom. Next, place your second piece of fabric on top and press to adhere. Now let it dry for 1 hour. Use paper clips to hold it in place. Once it's dried, remove the clips and flip it inside out. Then, squeeze some adhesive on the 2 inches gap to finally close. Let the glue dry again, and it's ready to wear. Try making hand sanitizers and face masks at home by following these simple steps.